they?
Would y'all be down to be in my video real quick? Yeah, y'all can get in.
I get anxiety.
Bro? Oh yeah, you in the wrong car, I'm not gonna lie. Even in the SRT, but I tell you, this one's a little bit different. Ready? No, I'm playing. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Last Shop, and I'm coming at you guys with another video. Alright guys, as you guys can hear, we got an absolute banger. We're gonna be riding in the Hellcat. Sheesh! We're about to be pulling up to meet, so yeah, stay tuned guys, it's gonna be fast. But first I gotta rewind it back to the cold start. Already seen a snack. Uh-oh. Where you going?
Watch that make it right.
No, that's crazy, ain't it? Oh, now he wants to down shit.
I knew he was gonna make it right, bro. They always do that shit.
Oh, it says supercharged. Alright guys, we're about to go get some crumble cookie real quick before the meet. Yeah, I'm about to go get that cinnamon sugar. No way these are closed.
Hold up, who are they?
Hey, well, what y'all about to get into right now? Okay. What's your name? Oh, my name's Gabe. Nice to meet you. Gabe. Yep, nice to meet you. Would y'all be down to be in my video real quick? We're just gonna be doing a ride in the Hellcat. You feel me? It makes a little bit over 1,000 horsepower, but you feel me? Like I really do this YouTube shit. Like it's on some cool shit. You feel me?
Yeah. Alright, that is good.
Alright, come on. Yeah. But they got the keys. Alright, good looking.
Yup.
Alright, yeah. It's all good. Yeah, y'all can get in.
Oh my god, I've never been in the back seat of my
I know, you never been in the back seat of your old car. That's crazy.
The passenger seat, I've never been in the back seat.
Yeah. Dang.
I'm kind of scared now.
I know, huh? Hey, what's going on? I forgot I have my GoPro too. Y'all cool if I prop that up and shit? Alright, so good.
In the trunk?
Does it make my head big?
Yeah, that's good. You said what?
Does it make my head big?
No.
It's big one.
Alright, let me go grab it real quick. No way, we just did this, bro. We going up. Hold up. Yo, my bag's right there. Is in the back. Alright, that's good. I'm about to grab the GoPro real quick. Alright, cool. We should be good.
I ain't gonna lie. I get anxiety in cars.
Bro? Oh yeah, you in the wrong car. I'm not gonna lie. You in the wrong car right now.
It's fine when I'm driving. I feel
Okay.
cool.
So what's the fastest car y'all been in? Ever? What about you?
I've been a few.
What's the fastest one though? You had to say.
I've been in an SRT, but he wasn't like whipping, so like 5-0.
Okay. So you've been in an SRT, but it was just like, probably nothing was done to it, because I'm telling you, this one's a little bit different. This one's a little bit different. Yeah, but now where y'all from though?
I'm from Modesto.
Okay. What about you?
I'm from Saturday.
Okay. What you doing out here with her then? Like y'all friends or something? Like,
We just met like around the way.
Yeah.
My homegirl. We model.
that's what's up. Y'all gonna have to model for the cat too. Cat, Mustang. Oh yeah, I got a Mustang too, by the way. I didn't even show y'all before.
I'm already scared. I don't know why.
Why? I still like doing it. I'm gonna just get on it a little bit just to see if we're about to move. Once we get a little bit more open space, I'll open it up.
Oh shit! No, not at all.
Not at all?
Yeah.
What? Y'all ready? Ready? No, I'm playing. Yeah. A little faster than the other cars, or what?
What you did?
Not bad.
That's cool.
It's good.
I do some
Yeah.
music, I be in
You ain't getting demonetized out here. Oh God.
You got me biting my finger that whole time, bro.
Find your fingers. Why?
I don't know.
We really do this. Hey, this thing make me want to get a supercharger now. It's that wine.
Hellcat, my boy.
I had to for the channel. Hellcat. This shit be smooth though. Like I don't even know if y'all knew, but we almost touched like I think we were like 150.
Okay, maybe I was a faster one. How fast have you gone before?
Oh, how fast am I?
It tells you on the dashboard.
Oh yeah.
Press down.
Down. Nah, that's moving. I'm gonna try to get a narrow one when we're getting on. I'm gonna go a little bit slower so that y'all can feel the full effect. You feel me? That pop gets it every time, bruh. Don't worry, we're in full control. Y'all can calm down now. I can see in the corner of my eyes. She's like, look at Chuck. Probably get one more in before we get off. Let's get in front of this truck. So what would y'all give the experience?
Yeah, solid 10.
Solid 10?
Is it my turn?
Yeah, something crazy as
What's out of mouth?
Ain't my car. I already know the answer though. Sorry, I had to. Successful ride. How they getting a little photo shoot going? Dude, I don't even know if we finna go to the car meet no more, honestly, guys. Nah, bro, I even peeped. This nigga had me rolling hot, bro. What? This nigga rolling no. Oh, cops over there lurking. Alright, y'all, I just did a quick little photo shoot for them. I taxed their ass like 5 bands. But anyways, the cops are literally waiting right here. Look at them. But anyways, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. But before we're out, I gotta drop their IGs.
Oh, what's up?
My Instagram name is sincerely.risha, RISHA.
And mine's at babylissa, BBY.LYSSAA.
So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please drop a like, comment, subscribe.
And turn on those post notifications.
Ooh, tell them to subscribe to Lavish.
Subscribe to Lavish.
Yeah, and we out.